Rondo's just a point guard.
Frank, what do you think goes into LeBron playing so well at age 35?
Well, he's one of the best players ever, and he takes great care of his body.
Is there an intelligence that goes into maintaining your body?
Yeah, I mean, I think intelligence in maintaining your body, yes. It's round the clock, and there's a commitment more than intelligence, I think. But, I think, his IQ and his mental approach to the game, definitely helps him continue to have success, probably in different ways than he had success 10 years ago.
Where's the diet of fourth quarter red vines fit into him taking care of himself?
I don't know what you're talking about.
He was eating red vines on the bench for the last minute of the game.
It's disappointing because he's technically from the Midwest, which is, Midwest and East Coast are really Twizzlers people. So I'm a little disappointed that he was not eating Twizzlers on the bench.
I realize those are much.
Let's get ready for Hoop Jab.